Hey guys, this is Nneka Jenkins here. I'm so excited. I've got 3 listings coming on the market, and I'm excited we're going to see the stager and see what she's done with these projects. So come on in.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Hot stuff. You have 3. Tell me how you did it.
Oh, I don't know. Just, yeah.
Magic. Yeah. Let's take a look.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like what you did with the space because you kept it open still, but it's still, you know, a formal dining area. I really like it. It's beautiful.
You did a good job with the renovation. What was here before?
You know, it was, the renovations, we didn't have to tear any walls down. They had a really good open floor plan, but we freshened up the flooring, made it all consistent. They had a lot of different sections, you know. For almost 2,000 square foot home, you've got to make it fluid.
Absolutely.
So that was important. I love the gold accents, but offset with the black feel. I really like this.
And this table fits the area nicely. The open space is great, but it also has some sort of separation in here.
Yeah. I like that too, and especially when we were talking about it, you know, the owners were thinking, do we take down this wall? And I thought, no, it is load bearing, but you know, you can take anything down. But I really felt like it still gave that traditional feel, and so when we start showing it, I really imagine a lot of the feedback is going to be, you know, I could have a dinner party in here and my kids could be playing in here. So I really like that there's still some separation. Actually my favorite room because when you come in the front door, you get all this natural sunlight, the vaulted ceilings, and you just see right into this kind of formal sitting room. You know, the room you weren't allowed to go in as a kid? This is that room for me.
Yeah, so it's like untouched, but then we kept the furniture and the design very touchable.
This is beautiful. I really like this space. So before we had cabinetry, so this entire kitchen is brand new. But before we had cabinetry that was like right here. And so even though it was an open floor plan, it really blocked off this room and made it feel like you couldn't really see into the kitchen. Like if you're cooking there, you couldn't see your kids over here. So I really like that we opened this up when we put this hood here with the stove top right here, because then you can see every aspect of the room from any corner. So I love how you framed this out.
I came here and saw nothing but an empty space.
Yeah.
This was your vision.
Yeah.
This is your vision, and I was thoroughly impressed because normally people would ask me what they should be putting in.
Yeah, well, I can't take all the credit. My contractor is amazing. My designer happens to be his wife, so Deacon and Leslie, they did an amazing job. I can sit here all day.
Casual dining for every day. When you need a formal area, you got formal dining room.
Absolutely. Yeah, for the kids overlooking, I really like that. It blends in for good family time together. Oh, I really like this. This is actually the smallest room in the house, but you made it feel so spacious, and you still have this really large desk table here. This is great. I really like this a lot.
And you know, it brings a lot of value being able to show it as a bedroom.
Absolutely.
Yes. And when you have 3 bedrooms, that's how you maximize the space, by showing a bedroom and an office.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. I like that you staged this one as a kid room. That's perfect. It's such a big home, in a family is going to make it their own. But like you said, if it's a family of two, they need one that's more a little workable.
Yes.
And this one's a kid room. I really like this one. My favorite room.
Spacious.
Oh, wow.
Open.
I was very nervous about this room because a lot of the houses in this area are 4 bedrooms, so this room is actually cut into 2. And I was really nervous about how you were going to make this not feel too large, like wasted space. And I like this because you've got a little vanity section here. I love a good vanity. And then of course the seating area, but even this, it's not completely symmetrical because of the higher vaulted ceilings, which is great. But I like that you brought symmetry back into it with the furniture.
So yeah, we bring the eye to the design and not to what is maybe considered imperfect, but it's not imperfect.
No,
it's just
absolutely
the structure
not.
of the
Yeah,
home.
that makes
But
sense.
we just make it balanced. So I really liked how this bathroom turned out. I never got to see it because it was under construction. But I love the mirror, the beveled mirror. It's almost like a golden bronze. Vanity light was very farmhouse, so everything worked well together. But I don't know if you noticed, the light is not centered with the mirror. So we're going to have to balance this by bringing our eye over to this side here to offset as if it was intended to be off-centered.
Oh, this is great. I like how it's just minimalist. I really like this space. You've got the sink out here and the sink interior with the shower. It works really well. I like what you've done with it.
The junction box was right there, and the mirrors right here. We offset it.
Oh, I didn't
Right? Yes.
I forgot
So,
about that.
The light was there, the mirrors over here, and we just balanced it
Things
out. Yeah.
that most people don't think about. Yeah, I completely see that. You have to, because right when someone's sitting here, and it gives people a good idea of how they can furnish their homes once they move in,
Absolutely.
which is awesome.
Yeah, so they don't have to call me again
Yeah.
for design.
But you wouldn't mind.
I wouldn't mind.
Thank you so much for showing me this, but we've got 2 more to see.
Let's go, we're ready for
Okay.
you. Come on, let's see.
At the second one of the day, and I brought my co-listing agent Laura for this one. So excited to see what Vanessa has done with the place.
Yes, me too. Let's go inside.
Let's go take a look.
I can't wait, they're on their way. That must be them.
Wow.
Hi ladies, how are you
Good
doing?
to see you again.
It's been ages. I have to feature you here because I have to finish the staging.
Oh, it looks amazing.
Amazing.
You did a great job. For such a small space, I really like it.
Everything. Perfect size
like
table
for
for the
someone,
dining. Yes, definitely.
Looks great. And a nice little seating area for
Simple
distance
but very
learning.
nice. Yeah.
Well, let's take a look at the bedroom.
Yeah. This is so great. The bed fits perfectly in
does.
here.
You know, this is similar to Bilbo with the vaulted ceilings in the bedroom, but she pulled in that symmetry again, and I really like that.
Yeah. Really nice.
this is what I love about her, the details. She pays attention to details, and you know, not every space has something in it, but she picks the right places to put something in it. It really just makes it feel like home.
Yeah, the clothespins up there, the laundry machine, the little mirrors.
Beautiful.
And again, the little details inside the shower too.
Yellow accent
So
here with the
nice.
gold.
I really, really love it.
Vanessa did a great job.
She did.
You did.
Thank you. Didn't we help make it feel big?
You did.
Yes.
I really think you did a good job with this space, for sure.
When you are on vacation, what do you have? You think about it, you only have that suitcase. So whatever you can squeeze and jam in
Absolutely.
there, that's all you can carry. Same concept as when you are staging a home. You only put what you need. So that's the same thing when we're staging a home. We only bring what is necessary to showcase us.
Minimalist. Yeah, I love it.
All right, so let's pack our bags and go to
Number
the
three.
number three.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. We're gonna finish up the staging on this one. Becca and Laura on her way. I can't wait to show them their third listing.
So we're here at property number 3.
I'm excited.
And I'm so excited to see what Vanessa did.
Yes,
Let's
look
check
at
it
the
out.
staging. Vanessa!
Oh my gosh, you outdid yourself again, and I'm
Always
just
do.
entering the house. I
I
can't
love
wait
it.
to see the rest. Oh my gosh.
Tell me the story about this home.
You know, this is a good story because the owner of this home actually grew up around the corner. Yeah, so this is really special for her, and this neighborhood has really, really improved over the years. We're in the heart of Cambrian, obviously, but this floor plan is very common for a lot of these homes, and transforming it to a way where people don't feel like this is dead space, I think is really important. And just walking into this first room, I see what you've done with it, and I think it really makes a difference when they don't have to think about where's the couch going to go, and it's easy to see where a TV would go and where the couch goes, and people get nervous about blocking the bay window, so I think it works.
Yeah, and truly this window is a nice feature of the home.
Yeah.
Yet I do understand what you were saying about the nervousness of people. What are they gonna put in front here? So, you know, finding a really super low profile one will not be practical because you won't have a back, right?
Yeah.
Because of the height of the window. But we had to find something that, you know, is comfortable, but at the same time be able to feature this nice architectural.
Absolutely. I'll tell you, the seller was so amazed. She said, "Is this my house?"
Yeah. Her
when we
daughter
were
was
done,
too.
and her
Yeah.
daughter loved it, and she gave us a really great blessing, and so I think everybody was thrilled about how it turned out.
You know, a 6-year-old giving us a thumb of approval,
Sorry.
or yeah, a seal of approval.
That's it. That's it.
Exactly. Enough talking, let's tour the home.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, look at this mirror, Laura.
Wow.
I love this.
Oh wow.
I mean, I don't see a lot of people putting such an oversized mirror inside.
I don't think I've ever
But it works
seen
really
something
well.
with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works amazing.
I
It really
love
opens up the space. I love it.
Okay, I know you're super busy already. There's a potential buyer inside,
Yeah.
so we have to step out.
Yeah, so Laura's showing it right now, and actually I'm so sorry, but I do have to go because I have to go get another listing, so you can stage it for me.
Awesome, busy lady,
Yes,
rock on.
yes, I'm
Thank
very
you.
excited.
I'll see you at the very next
Yes,
one.
well thank you so much because you make all of the properties look amazing, so I really love working with you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Becca. 3
right.
for 3 next time.
Yeah.
4 for 4.
Okay,
We'll
see you on the next
All
one.
right. Let's put your cell phones down. That's fine. And there's already a listing inside.
Yeah. No, the buyer. Potential buyer.
Camera. I gotta go in. Look. I gotta go in and see what's going on.
Let's shoot that again.
Once again, and we're gonna polish off inside. We're polishing off inside. All right, guys. Oh, there's a car.